We're going to work through the leg extension machine at the Armoured Muscle Gym. This is a great machine for working the tops of the thighs and developing that knee strength for rehabilitation as well. So take a seat and you want to place your shins behind the bottom pads and lean back. Your knees need to be in line with the circular pivot point on your right hand side. To adjust that, there is a ring pull down by your right hand side, down by your right buttock. Pull that up and the seat is sprung loaded, so as you lean forward the seat will come with you. You can lean back and that'll push the seat further away. And as you do, adjust your seat and then shuffle the hips to bring your knees either forward or back depending on where you've set the seat. Now, you have a range of motion selector on your right hand side. Ideally, you want to use the maximum range of motion all the time, so that's going to be setting the range to number 1. However, if you do have knee pain in the very bottom position, you can pull the range selector, lift your legs and let the range selector go, and that will give you a different range of motion to work with. So we'll set our range, and of course we want to set our weights on our right hand side using the pins and the extra 2.5 kilo tab attachment if you need to. When we're in position, we're going to grasp the handles down by our side and pull our body into the seat. Looking up straight, you're going to lift the legs and breathe out at the same time. So lift, breathe out, and control the weight back down. Lift, breathe out, control the weight back down. And do that for the number of reps prescribed in your program.